Great work. Welcome to Module 12. This is short videos, links, and resources. There's all the links for a lot of equipment that I've used for many of the tools that are in the program here. What you'll find in here are all of the downloads from the course, and then some videos, some short videos, and some lessons, some other thoughts that I had that didn't fit necessarily particularly into any of the other modules, but they're still items that I wanted to share with you. Aptly named the Oh Shit Kit, simply as a matter of a function for really when I can, for whenever I need them. Ultratex. This is 8. You can use Ultratex 3 as well. And then I'm going to combine that with all of my ingredients. Now, hope you find them all useful, and I'll see you in the next video. This course wouldn't have come together without significant investment from our partners. Colorado Mill Sunflower Oil, it's just a little thank you. It's a great product, check it out. And Evolve Culinary, a new up-and-coming tool company, great kitchen equipment, really cool design, lots of fun. They have a whole line of chef's coats coming up, and really beautiful equipment. So check them out if you can. I'm an ambassador for Evolve Culinary and their equipment, so check them out.